hosting us. So it's genuine. We'll be where our squadron really was first blood in World War II, and really set culture and the way the 75 squad operates. As was mentioned, our first month CO was held in action here, only about a month after arriving. It's buried in the Mark Memorial War Cemetery now. So it's a genuine privilege to be able to bring F-35s here.
For the element in our process of rebuilding, we is a long and enduring based on our relationships. From when we came out from the Royal Australian Air Force on 12th of August 1975. So we will celebrate that 50th anniversary. So today it's fitting that 75 Squadron is here and I get to meet I know him personally. I worked with him in APEC Assist back in 2018. So it just shows the relationships on the legal level and also on the personal level.
It really is. It's a celebration of the history of 75 Squadron's operations here in Papua New Guinea, its relationship with Papua New Guinea. It's a celebration of the first time the F-35s have landed here in Papua New Guinea. The Royal Australian Air Force's F-35s have landed here in Papua New Guinea. And it's a celebration of the deep, enduring partnership between the Royal Australian Air Force, between the Papua New Guinea Defence Force, which you can see today, the personal relationships and the capabilities out there on the tarmac. So thank you for having us here today for this momentous occasion, one that celebrates history, but also gives us a lot of encouragement about the future of this partnership, the future of these relationships. And from the national level, right down to two COs, two commanding officers, commanding real capabilities out there on the tarmac today. Thank you.